stop. If you're still getting ready, this is why your life hasn't changed. Let that sit for a second. If you were actually ready, you would have started already. And that's the part no one wants to admit, because ready feels responsible. It sounds smart, it sounds patient, but it's a lie your brain tells you to protect you from discomfort. No one who is winning felt ready. They felt unsure, underqualified, exposed, and they moved anyway. Most people think confidence comes first. They believe once they feel confident, then they'll act. That's backwards. Confidence is built after action, after failure, after repetition. Waiting to feel ready is like waiting to be strong before stepping into the gym. It never happens. Here's what actually happens instead. You plan, you research, you watch, you save videos, you take notes. You say, I'm almost there. But almost is a comfortable prison, because starting means risk, judgment, embarrassment, failure. And your brain's job is to keep you safe, not successful. So it feeds you excuses that sound logical. I need more time. I need more information. I need better conditions. What you're really protecting is your identity. The version of you that hasn't failed yet. The version that still gets to believe you're special. Because once you start, there's proof. And proof removes excuses. Meanwhile, someone else starts messy, unpolished, awkward. They don't feel confident. They don't look ready, but they're moving. And because they're moving, they're learning. Because they're learning, they're improving. Your problem isn't fear. Fear is normal. Your problem is comfort. Comfort keeps you thinking instead of doing, consuming instead of creating, preparing instead of producing. Comfort feels safe until years pass and nothing changes. Here's the truth no one tells you. You don't rise to the level of your goals. You fall to the level of your standards. And your current standard is waiting until it feels good. That standard will destroy your future. So let's break it. Lower the standard to start. Raise the standard to continue. You don't need confidence, you need consistency. Do it badly, do it scared, do it tired, but do it today. One real action today beats a perfect plan tomorrow. Momentum doesn't come from thinking. It comes from friction. From starting when your mind resists, from moving before your emotions agree. And understand this. Two versions of you are being built right now. One keeps preparing, keeps waiting, keeps saying soon. They stay intelligent. They stay full of potential. They stay stuck. The other version starts early, fails publicly, learns fast. They build proof. And proof builds confidence. Same brain, same resources, same circumstances, different choice. And over time, the gap becomes massive. Not because one was smarter, but because one was willing to be uncomfortable longer. This is where most people quit, not when it's hard, but when it's unclear, when effort isn't rewarded yet, when progress feels invisible. The ones who win understand this phase. They don't ask, why isn't this working? They ask, who is this turning me into? Because success isn't the reward, identity is. The confidence you want comes from self-trust, from knowing that when you say you'll act, you do. And self-trust is built in moments like this one, not later, not after more prep, right now. So stop asking if you're ready. Ask if you're willing to look foolish, to struggle, to fail forward, because readiness never arrives, action does. And the longer you wait, the heavier the first step becomes. So move, not because you feel ready, but because you refuse to stay the same.